so today I want to unbox the Gard Pro Health Smartwatch 2 Plus. It's not new, I bought it secondhand, but nevertheless, I want to do that with you anyway, so you get an idea of if it's for you, what it looks like, etc. So I have already charged the watch just so we can actually jump straight into it. So it comes with a little card. Use the QR code to download your user manual. Now I don't know if this comes with an actual user manual as well. As I said, this is secondhand. But luckily the person I bought it from still has everything. So you see what it looks like. So you get a charger with a USB, the actual watch itself, and then the band. So I have this color. It comes in different colors, so you can choose that as well. This is like any other watch band, really. These little pins, and then press it down there, and then you hear a click, and then it's done. Band is now on. And what's really clever, if you want to take it off real quick and don't like the fiddly bits, there's a little release button on each. So there. And you just move it that way, and then it comes off. So I like these little things that make these little fiddly bits much easier. It's the same when you put it on. Just stick the one end into the hole, and then you move that. And then you hear the click, and then it's done. The first thing I want to do is I want to put it on and just see how it feels on, because some of these watches can be really quite bulky and annoying, etc. So let's see how this one feels. This feels nice. It's nice and light. Yeah, this is lovely. This feels really nice. So let's look at these functions in more detail. So you click the button, or you can do it with a wrist movement, then your clock face comes on. I have customized my clock face. If you want me to do a video on how I did that, let me know in the comments. And then there are different ways to get to the different functions. So probably the easiest is to swipe to the right. Then it gives you your phone button. It gives you your training, so all the different sports options. And then you press it and it starts. And then it will give you all the information you will need for that. So we are back to that screen. The status, so it tells you how many steps you've done, how far you've traveled, and how many calories you burned. This is your heart rate. And then we have our blood pressure. So that might take a little while to do. Just make sure you keep your arm steady. You don't move your hand really, and have it as tight as possible. But it's obviously still comfortable. So this probably takes the longest. You can see up here your battery, tells you how much battery is left, and the time there at the top as well. So let's give it a few more seconds. And then it vibrates and gives you your blood pressure. You swipe right again if you want to go back to the menu, and then you can get your oxygen level. This normally is a little bit quicker. Swipe again, you get back to the screen, press sleep, and that tells you how many hours you slept and how many hours you were awake. I have not tried that yet, but I think you need to switch that on to have it at that screen when you go to sleep for it to actually work. Weather tells you what the weather is where you are, obviously. Music, here temperature, so it gives you your skin temperature and your body temperature once that's read. So let's give that a few seconds. And there we go. And then we have RESP, or the respiration, breaths per minute. I think it's between 12 and 20 is seen as normal. Anything below 12 is not normal, and anything above 25 is deemed not normal. So let's have a look. I think it does tell you if it's in the normal range as well. So that's good. You also have breath training on here. So, and you can decide how fast normal you want to make it. Set the time, how long for, and it tells you how long you have to breathe in for, and then you have a little vibration when you start breathing out, and a little vibration when you have to breathe back in again, etc. So you just swipe, in this case to the right, to go back to where you want to be. You can check your messages. I have not set it up that way. I don't need it on mine. You also have an alarm clock, very easy to set up. Already set my alarm. You just press the plus button and you just follow the instruction there. Under more, you have a stopwatch, a timer, the find button, and a flashlight. Again, really useful little things to have. Settings. Here you can choose your watch face. On the actual watch, you have, I think, 4 or 5 different options for the watch face. But on the app, you can choose more, and there's also your custom that you can do. You also have your theme, so how you want your icons to be laid out. So I have it on theme 1, so I want them one under the other, or you can have them in more like a circle, or you can have it more in this layout. Brightness, so you can decide how bright you want your screen to be. Bright screen, how many seconds you want the bright screen to be on. Voice, so you can make your changes there. You can reset all the information, you can switch it off here, and you can have the QR code. And then you're done with that, and you want to go back to the home screen, you just swipe to the left. From here, there are different options again. If you swipe down, you then have your brightness level again. So you can set that up here if you wanted to. You can change the layout of your icons. You can go back to settings from there as well. And phone, etc. Okay, so then you're back to your home screen. If you scroll up, you will get your messages. And then if you swipe to the left, you will get these options again, so you can get your call records, your contacts, etc. That's all that's on this screen. If you then swipe again, get your step counts, how far you traveled, and your calories. You then get your heart rate and your oxygen level, your blood pressure, your body temperature, breaths per minute. And here you can do your breathing one again, the sleep function, the music, and that's it. So if you want to go back to the home screen, you just, I don't know if I haven't found any other way to do it from that side. So you just go through all it again. And that's pretty much it. If you want to switch it off, press the button on the side, switch it on again. Or if you have enabled the wrist move, that it comes on every time you move your wrist, then that will come on like that as well. So that was a quick introduction into the Gard Pro Health Smartwatch 2 Plus. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. And I hope I see you very soon. Bye.